Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking to elevate your home decor while keeping your fruits and vegetables organized? Let me introduce you to this modern metal fruit basket with a lid. This stunning piece measures 22 by 24 centimeter, making it the perfect size for any kitchen counter or dining table. Its silk design is not just about looks; it's also incredible durable, ensuring that it withstand the test of time. The lid is a game changer. It keeps your fruits and veggies fresh while adding an extra layer of style to your space. No more worryings about files or dust, just a chic functional solution for your home. Whether you are hosting a dinner party or just enjoying a quiet night in, this fruit bowl doubles as a striking centerpiece that complements any decor style. Its modern aesthetics fit seamlessly into both contemporary and traditional settings, making it a versatile addition to your home. Plus, it's not just for fruits and veggies. Use it to store snacks, display decorative item, or even as a catch-all for your keys and mail. The possibility are endless. Investing these quality home decor pieces like this fruit basket not only enhance your living space but also reflect your personal style. So if you are want a blend of functionality and aesthetics, this modern metal fruits basket with a lid is the perfect choice. Don't miss out. Grave your today and transform the way you display your fresh process produce while adding a touch of elegance to your home. You won't regret it. So guys, if you want to purchase this product, then also link is in description box, you can check it out. Thank you for watching my video. I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to engage with my content. Your support means the world to me, and it's drive me to create even more valuable and entertaining video. Every like, comment and share fuel my patience and motivate me to keep pushing the boundaries of creativity. It's not just about the numbers, it's about building a community where we can learn, grow, inspire each other. I love hearing your feedback and ideas, so keep them coming. Remember, every time you watch, you are not just a viewer, you are part of this journey. Together we can explore new topics, tackle challenges and celebrate an achievement. Your engagement helps to shape the direction of this channel, and I am excited to see where we go next. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you have not already. Share it with your friends and who might enjoy it too. Let us spread and positivity and knowledge together. And as always, I am here for any question or topics you want to me cover in future video. Your input is invaluable. Thank you for once again for being here. Let's keep this monument going, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.